transparent aluminum is now a reality. This is what the future looks like with this material. When we look at science fiction movies, you often come across gadgets that are transparent. This creates an image of the future that we will then use materials that are transparent. That future is now upon us with transparent aluminum. We dive into this future and imagine what gadgets that use transparent aluminum will look like. Let's take a look.
Professor Scott, I'm Dr. Nichols' plant manager. I'm terribly sorry. There's been an awful mix-up. Would you believe I was never told about your visit?
I've tried to clear things up, Professor Scott. I explained that you'd come all the way here from Edinburgh on appointment to study methods of manufacturing by Plexicore. But they don't seem to know anything about it.
Don't know anything about it? I find it hard to believe that I've come millions of miles. Thousands of miles on an invited tour of inspection.
Professor Scott, if you
I
just...
demand to see the owners. I demand...
Professor Scott, just take it easy. Dr. Nichols has offered to take us around the plant personally.
He has?
Yes.
With pleasure.
Well, that's different.
Gregory! Whoa! Professor!
May, my assistant join us?
Of course.
Don't bury yourself in the party.
Hi.
Hi.
Good looking ship. Huey 204, isn't it?
Right on. You fly?
Oh, here and there. I flew something similar back in my academy days.
All right. And this must be old stuff to you.
Old? Yes, but interesting. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Do it. Well, this is a fine place you have here, Dr. Nichols.
Thank you. But I must say, Professor, your knowledge of engineering is most impressive.
Yes, back home we call him the miracle worker.
Indeed. May I offer you something, gentlemen?
Dr. Nichols, I might be able to offer something to you.
Yes?
I notice you're still working with polymers.
Still? What else would I be working with?
Aye, what else indeed? I'll put it another way. How thick would a piece of your plexiglass need to be at 60 feet by 10 feet to withstand the pressure of 18,000 cubic feet of water?
Oh, that's easy. 6 inches. We carry stuff that big in stock.
I have noticed. Now suppose, just suppose, I were to show you a way to manufacture a wall that would do the same job, but be only 1 inch thick. Would that be worth something to you, eh?
You're joking.
Perhaps the professor could use your computer.
Please.
Computer? Computer? Ah. Hello, computer.
Just use the keyboard.
The keyboard. How quaint.
Transparent aluminum?
That's the ticket, laddie.
It'd take years just to figure out the dynamics of this matrix.
Yes, but you would be rich beyond the dreams of avarice.
So, is it worth something to you? Or should I just punch up clear?
No. No. Not now, Madeline. What exactly did you have in mind?
Well, a moment alone, please. Realize, of course, if we give him the formula, we're altering the future.
Why? How do we know he didn't invent the thing?
Transparent aluminum or alone is a transparent polycrystalline ceramic with a cubic spinel crystal structure. Its chemical formula is Al2O27N5. Alone is produced by combining aluminum, oxygen, and nitrogen. The manufacturing process involves pressurizing aluminum oxynitride powder to 15,000 pounds per inch in rubber molds submerged in hydraulic fluid. The obtained material, which is molded and opaque, is heated to 2000 OC and kept at this temperature for 2 days. Once cooled, alone emerges transparent, which is then ground and polished for extra clarity and strength. Alone can be fabricated as rods, tubes, plates, windows, domes, and other forms using conventional ceramic powder pressing techniques. The grinding and polishing of alone during its manufacturing improves its impact resistance and mechanical properties.